Right, so I was in the garage yesterday, but I didn't have my camera. I'm just using my phone today. But I've got my hole there, and I've got my panel all cut out with some holes in, ready to seam weld around the outside, and I'll plug weld those holes. That's what they're there for. So yeah, let's get that welded in. Sorry, let's just stop the time lapse for a second, just to appreciate that welding. I think that's probably the best I've ever done, because I've actually got decent thick metal for a change. Went a bit peaked on at the bottom, but so that's just tack on tack. Woohoo! Oh yes, so that's all welded in. My plug welds seem to have got progressively worse, but it's solid, so I'm happy. I've just noticed another hole here. Great. So yeah, there we are. Bit of welding. Glad to get this panel in along the edge. I'm thinking this corner here, wow that's close, I'm thinking this corner here I'm going to fill in that gap, because I'm assuming on the factory one it's not got a massive gap there, and where I've welded underneath is not too great anyway, so yeah, I'll fill that in with a bit of steel that cut off from the rest of it, and then yeah, I'll finish it up. Hopefully the subframe will bolt back in because of the using the jig to get it in the right place, so fingers crossed for that. Right, so after grinding down most of the welds and a quick splash of really crappy paint, it's looking like this. So obviously this top edge, I'm just going to fill that with weld. That's the new panel which I put in before, and I think that's supposed to spot weld down on top, so I'll see if I can get in there with some grips and put a couple of welds in there. I haven't done that corner bit yet, but looking at it from the inside, pretty pleased with that. Apart from obviously my crappy weld on the floor there, but yeah, happy days.